Welcome to Healthcare Analytics. This video is on how to generate a underline, how to write a title and generate a title and underline within Proc Report. And all these Proc Report statements that we discuss in the series of Proc Report videos focus on using Proc Report within the ODS RTF statements. So the ODS RTF statements start here and ends here. So within this two statements we write the Proc Report because we want the final output in RTF format. So we will see how to create a title and header and an underline underneath the title. So if we have used protect special characters of option, and if you are not familiar with this, please watch the video on protect special chars before you watch this particular video. This video is already for those who have some basic understanding of Proc Report, such as what is a column statement, define statement, the display analysis, labels, how to provide a label, etc. So if you're familiar with this, you will be able to see how we are able to generate the title and the line. So within the column statement, so we are writing the Proc Report statement here and styles options, and after that we are writing the column statement. In the column statement we have to write the title, and after the title we are providing the underline. So this is the RTF command for providing underlines. So we write the title, and after the title we provide an underline, and after that we have all the variable names. So let me remove this part for the time being, and let me show you how the output looks like. So this is the output that we have, and we would like to have the title here for the dataset class. And so let me close this and run it again. So this is how the output should look like. So all the variables, and above the variable is the title with the underline. So in order to generate this, we are writing the title here, and after that the command statement, RTF command for underline, and then all the variables here. So let's say before height and weight you want one more header, for example vitals, and BRDRP, BRDRS is the underline, and you want to use it for these two variables, that is height and weight. You want to cover this title for height and weight. So in that scenario you have to give a bracket around those two. You have to include these variables within the bracket. So let's close this and see how it looks like. So you can see that I have a title for all the variables and a subtitle for height and weight separately, and this vitals covers only these two variables. So this is how we can provide a title with underlines. And let's say you want to add more variables to this. So let's cut this and paste it here, and I want to include all more variables, and instead of vitals I will just put it demographics, and let's see how it looks like. So I have this particular title will cover all the variables within the bracket. So all the variables are age, sex, height and weight. So this is how we can tweak the output. So let me close this and rerun it. So you can see that this particular title covers the 4 variables. I hope you got how to create a title and a underline, and if you like this video, Please like it and subscribe it. Thank you.